Hi there, I hope all of you are doing well. This is one more video with regards to setting up a e-commerce or a marketing business in UAE. I have had made a couple of videos before also, and you can check them out on my channel. So this is one more video with some more information. So what is the first thing that comes to your mind if you want to set up a business in UAE? Trust me, one thing I can tell you is this is the best market to do any sort of business, especially when it comes to e-commerce or any online marketing, digital marketing. This is the best place to do the business. Why? I have the reasons. So you have the ease of getting the visa here. You have the ease of doing the business and getting the license at any point of time. You have the ease of getting the offices at a very low price. There are flexible options, like you may just pick up a seat and use that to run your business. You actually don't need a huge office to start your business with. So plus this country is one of the safest countries in the world, so obviously you need the safety to run your business peacefully, right? So with that being said, what do you do first if you want to set up a business in another country? Obviously you do some research online, and next is you reach out to some consultant, because most of the contacts that you find online will be the consultants. You go and reach out to some consultant, he gives you a quotation, and that's how you process. But this video is going to save you a lot of money, because I am going to tell you a way where you don't need a consultant. You are directly in touch with the government entity, and whatever you pay, you directly pay to the government, which is only the government fees. So you don't pay anything in addition. You get your license. You also get your visa along with it for yourself, which is called an investor visa, if you want to. And this entire process can be done from anywhere in the world. It doesn't mean that you have to come to Dubai or you have to come to UAE and then go to a couple of offices and do some paperwork and do things like that, and that's when you get the license. No, that's not the case. If you are in Canada, if you're in UK, if you're in US, if you are in Asia, anywhere, you can be in the comfort of your office or home, and you can completely register this business from there. Also process your visa and make the payments also directly to the government. And once you come to this country, right, you can complete the formalities of completing your visa process. For example, doing the medical, there's a medical to be needed to be done before you get your visa stamping. So that can be done once you're in the country. The stamping that happens on your passport, visa stamping, that can be done once you're here. So those couple of things can be done here, but you can use the entry permit that is sent to you by government to come into this country. You don't need a visit visa even, to come here and look for things and like that. So the entire process for setting up this kind of business in UAE is totally online. If anyone tells you, no, you have to come to my office and you have to do this and you have to do, no, that's not required. And I will also tell you the starting fees for any type of business. Any type of business, when I say any type of business, means I'm talking about online marketing, online businesses like e-commerce, digital marketing, social media marketing, etc. So it costs you about 12,000 dirham. That's the starting price, right? That also includes one visa for yourself. If you are the owner of the company, you're the investor, you get one visa for yourself within that price range. 12,000 dirham is the starting price. Now it depends on what are the activities in your business, right? Do you just have social media marketing, or do you also have web development along with that? Do you have e-commerce along with that? So that's how the government decides the price for your trade license. So once you reach out to the right entity, you get the pricing, right? They ask you for a couple of names that you want for your business. So you give them those names, they finalize one of them, so that becomes the name for your business, and they help you with the entire process of getting your trade license. Once you have the trade license, the process for visa starts. So what happens is, first they send you an entry permit, and you can use that entry permit to come into this country. Once you're in this country, you can do the other formalities to get your Emirates ID. Then you can use that Emirates ID to open your bank account and stuff like that. Also, I would like to tell you that this the trade license that you're getting is completely going to be in your name 100%. You might have seen online that you need a local sponsor for registering a business in UAE, but for these kind of license you don't need a local sponsor. You can get the business 100% in your name. So there are a lot of free zones that you can reach out to, and these free zones are government owned entities, and they will help you complete the entire process, all right, and set up your business online. You don't need to reach out to any consultant, nothing at all. I've just given you a rough idea about the pricing as well. If you have any further questions, you want to know which one is the best free zone or which one is the best government entity that we should register our business with, I can give you those ideas as well, depending upon the kind of activities or the business that you choose. So you can reach out to me. I have always given my email ID. I always given my Instagram, so you can reach out to me on Instagram at asif_war, or you can write to me an email, which is asif, ASIF, WAR 2012 @gmail.com. You can send me an email. I will reply to you. Maybe I will share my WhatsApp contact number with you, and you can connect with me, and I can give you more information about which entity could be the best one for you to connect with. Maybe I can share the contact numbers of some officials with you who you can reach out to for your seamless completion of the entire process. So the idea is that I'm not charging anyone any money. There are a lot of people who reach out to me on a daily basis, and they have registered their businesses in UAE. My idea is to develop a business community where we help each other, we collaborate with each other. My business is real estate, maybe your business is e-commerce, maybe your business is online trading, but maybe at some point we share some contacts, we share some customer base, and it's a win-win for all of us. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and reach out to me for any more questions or comments or any doubts that you may have, and I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching.